Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about support, resistance, VWAP and RSI. So these are the major 4 points I am going to explain through this video. So most of the people are aware like what is support, what is resistance, what is VWAP and RSI. Already I have explained in my previous video about all those points. So you can visit my previous video if you are not aware about like what is support, what is resistance, what is VWAP, all those things you can visit my previous video and you'll be getting a better idea about all those things. So I'm going to explain how I could make almost 2,700 rupees profit with the help of all these 4 points, and within 10 minutes I could achieve the target. So I'm going to explain all those things through this video. So before moving to the topic, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can visit my description and you can open the account. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay guys, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about resistance and support and VWAP and RSI for a better trade. So how we can take a successful trade based on these indicators. So I am going to explain. I have taken a trade today and most of my group members might have seen like what is the call I have given. So I am going to explain why we have taken that call based on what is the criteria we have taken and what is the importance of resistance and support and what is the importance of RSI and VWAP like for an intraday trading. So all those things I am going to explain with the live chart which I have taken. So kindly watch completely, then only you will be getting a better idea. So if you are really satisfied with my this video, kindly like my video. Okay, now I am going to explain with the help of graph. So before moving to the graph, let me open my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel I have created to help the beginners. Like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit this channel. And this group is absolutely free. Okay, anyone can join to this group. And you can make your money also, like daily basis I will be telling you like where we have to invest, like what are the Nifty's support level resistances. So all those things I will be updating here. So this group is absolutely free. So anyone interested to learn more about market, you can join this group, and the group link I have given in the description. So you can visit my description and you can join to this group. The same way I have started a WhatsApp group also. So right now WhatsApp group is almost full. You can see like same thing I will be providing. So both is same, okay. So not worry about like if you are not able to join in WhatsApp group, you can join in Telegram channel, because WhatsApp group because most of the people are not able to join. So kindly join my WhatsApp group or in my Telegram channel. So both link I have given in the description. Okay, now let us come to the Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram channel. You can see like today is 5th August. I told to buy Nifty 11,250 CE. So buy above 25. That is what I have given call today morning in the free tips. And let us see like why I have told to buy and what is the importance of support and resistance, as well as what is the importance of VWAP and RSI. So the first thing I will open my Angel Broking application, and here I can see so this is the one I have told to buy today. So this is 11,250. So let me open the chart. Okay, I opened my chart today. On today's chart you can see here today's chart. Let me open. So here you can see like 8-4. Okay, sorry. So here you can see 8-5. So it means August 5. So once you see here and let me see the timing also. So I told to buy at 9:23. It means at the early morning of the market open I told to buy, because market open at 9:15. So I told to buy at immediately after 5 minutes of the market opening. And if you see here, you can see like immediately you can see like there is like almost 3 to 4 big candles are formed in the morning. And if you see the VWAP line is a red line. Here you can see this is a VWAP line and this is a RSI line. So once you see it was above the VWAP line, so we can get an indication that this market is going to be upside. The first thing is that we have to check the VWAP line. So if VWAP line is fine, we have to go to RSI. And if you see like just here this area, if you see here like around 9 o'clock, after immediately market open, like after 8-5, you can see here the RSI is above 80. it means the both indicators are showing that the market is showing positive. It means the market is going to be upside. So we can make sure, okay, we should take an entry on CE, and so that we can make a profit. So that is the reason I went into CE side, and I told to buy about 25, and here you can see the exact 25 it was crossed the V up line. So immediately I have taken a buy side, and in the same way let us see the support and resistance also, so that you will be getting a better idea. So both we have to check before going to an entry. And if you go here, the same thing you can see, like immediately in the early morning it was broken resistance 1. It means it is going to the resistance 2. See here you can see like around you can see like around 11,120 it was broken the resistance, and market opened above this level. It means the resistance 1 is broken, so there is a chances of it can go to the resistance 2. So immediately I was sure that it will be going to the resistance 2. I told to buy at 25, and that is the reason I given a target of 35, because I know it will go up to resistance 1, resistance 1 to resistance 2. And here also I have mentioned, you can see like clearly in the Telegram channel, you can see I clearly mentioned here, you can see like Nifty resistance at 11,230. It means that level it will come. If it is breaking, then you can see like there is a huge movement, but it was not broken. So that is the reason I could give a smaller, this was like almost 10 point target. So that 10 point we could achieve within 10 minutes. It means it was gone to the resistance 2. From there it was taken a resistance and went to resistance 1. So where we could take a good trade, and we could make a better profit. So always you have to remember, like when you are entering into a market, the first thing is that you have to go to first you have to open the chart. There you have to see like whether it is going above V up line, and RSI also is going above 80. If it is fine, then you have to come to support level, support and resistance you have to see. Based on Nifty support and resistance you have to see, and based on that you can see, okay, if it is going, support is broken, then you can if resistance is broken, you know, like it will be going up. If support is broken, it will be going down. So always you have to keep in all those things in mind, so that you can take a better trade and you can make a better profit. And you can see like my client also how they have made, and you can see individually within 10 minutes I could make almost 2,000 rupees, because I am also a professional trader. Because like not in the advisory, because advisories will give a call and they won't trade. They will simply give a call without even trading. And when I myself also trade the same goal, and you can see like same thing I have traded. You can see like around 2,700 rupees I could make a profit. And in the same way you can see a lot of my clients, okay, you can see like 300 rupees, 900, 800, almost you can see 5,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 3,000. 1,200. So lot of people are traded here. You can see like lot of people, 3,600, 1,000. So like lot of people were trading and making profit. So this group is absolutely free. You can come and join to this group, and you can make your money. So this is the major thing, like when you are coming for an intraday trading, so you should know like what is resistance, what is support, what is VIA, what is RSI. So if you know all these things, you can make a better trade and you can make a good profit. So this is all about today's trading, and we could make a good profit. And all my members, like in the group, I think all my members might have seen there is a good trade, and the people could make a good profit. And like, okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel, Libin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. You can see like what is CE, what is PE, what is intraday margin delivery. So a lot of things I will be updating, like 200 EMA and RSI for long term stock selection. Like that, lot of things I will be updating related to market. So you can visit this channel, and you can if you want to learn more about market, you can visit this channel and you can learn more about market. So daily basis I will be updating like lot of things related to market. So hope this topic is clear, and already I have explained about resistance, support, like VIAP and RSI. All those things I have explained in my previous video as well. So kindly visit my previous video, so that you will be getting a better idea like how we can take an intraday trade based on RSI, VIAP and support and resistance. So all those things are important, like when you are going for an intraday trade. And you can definitely make a profit if you are following all those things. Like if you are following proper support, proper resistance, and like proper VIAP and RSI, if you are following properly, you can make a 100%, you can make a profit. And if you need any queries related to this video, you can comment below this video. And the same way, if you are satisfied with this topic, kindly like my video. And in the same way, in the same way you can share to your friends like who are interested in trading, or kindly share to your friends so that they'll also start learning about market. And if anyone interested to open account, you can ask them to open, like if your friends or someone, your family members or anyone interested, you can ask them to open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So same way, if you are satisfied with this video, kindly like my video, kindly share to your friends. Hope everyone enjoyed today's topic, and in the upcoming session I'll be including lot of things related to market. So like all the basic things I'll be including in my sessions. So kindly subscribe so that you will be getting a notification as well as. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.